Hey there, space enthusiasts! Ever wondered about the mysterious forces shaping our universe? Today, I'm diving into the enigmatic realms of dark matter and dark energy. Buckle up because it's going to be a cosmic ride. Alright, so first things first, let's clear up the basics. Dark matter and dark energy are not the same thing. Imagine the universe as a giant cosmic soup. Dark matter is like the broth holding everything together, while dark energy is the invisible chef constantly stirring things up. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe. It's called dark because it doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light. Picture it as a ghost, silently weaving through galaxies, keeping them glued together. Without dark matter, galaxies would spin apart like an unraveling ball of yarn. Scientists detect its presence through gravitational effects. Basically, we see its footprints in how galaxies move. On the flip side, we have dark energy making up a whopping 68% of the universe. Think of it as an invisible force pushing everything apart. Dark energy is what's driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. It's like the universe is on a treadmill and dark energy keeps cranking up the speed. Now let's get into some analogies. Imagine a swimming pool. Dark matter is the water. You can't see each molecule, but you know it's there, supporting everything. Dark energy, on the other hand, is like an inflatable pool ring. It's constantly expanding, making the pool bigger and bigger. You might be wondering, why are these concepts so important? Well, understanding dark matter and dark energy helps us piece together the cosmic puzzle. They make up about 95% of the universe. So, ignoring them is like trying to solve a mystery with only 5% of the clues. But here's the kicker. We still know very little about them. Imagine trying to describe a city you've never visited, based only on the shadows you've seen. That's the challenge scientists face with dark matter and dark energy. To sum it up, dark matter holds the universe together while dark energy drives it apart. Two invisible forces, constantly at play, shaping the cosmos in ways we're just beginning to understand. It's a humbling reminder of how much there is yet to explore. So, next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, the universe is a mysterious place full of unseen wonders. And maybe, just maybe, one day we'll uncover the secrets of the dark. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cosmic explorations. Catch you in the next video.